Hey, what's up, Cancer viewers? Welcome to Dream and Pray. I am Queen. Today we are looking at that newest person in your life. Whether that person is a friend, a lover, someone you are married to, separated from, dated back in elementary school, whoever, okay? That newest person in your life. And we're going to get some situations so you can get a feel on who we're talking about. Oh, okay. This is someone who is trying to get a grip on their life. This is someone who's feeling anchored, weighed down, chained down. Or this could be someone who likes to work out in a gym, someone muscular. Put it back in the deck because I really. Okay, so this person, okay, right now in the moment today, they have a fake account on social media. This person has a fake profile on social media. They are hiding behind a fake profile on social media, and you have granted them access. Has been granted. Okay, we have like 12 set of keys up here. Access has been granted. Okay, not yesterday, not tomorrow, not tomorrow, today, right now. And today is Happy Memorial Day. Okay, to you all. It's 7:34 right now, May 30th. Let's look at some exposed intentions. Alright, my pinky is tore up, so I might be shuffling a little off. Hurts so bad. So we have someone here doing a little creeping, a little stalking. Okay, this person could be working out at a gym or have some type of gym membership, or they could be built muscular, have a nice body. But they do feel anchored, they feel weighed and chained down. Okay, this person is drinking. And they may become abusive with their words or their emotions or actions when they drink. This could be someone you have a family life with, or this person wants to have a family life with you. You could have kids with this person, or they could want to, but they do feel pain and the thorns of this love. Okay, I feel a little backstabbing going on here in this connection. Why these thorns here? What's up? Get to the gist. Ouch. Keep hitting my pinky. I'm gonna have to find a different way to shuffle till I get this bad boy off. Bow. They watching you. Whether look, this could be for a cancer or about a cancer. Someone is keeping tabs on someone. Okay, someone is getting watched hard. Let that marinate. Okay, you getting watched. Someone's getting watched. Drunk in love, watching you all night. Okay, trying to get a reaction from you. Don't trust your friend. Okay, you may not be able to trust this person. No, you can't trust this person. You know, may not. someone who's spying on you and keeping tabs on you, they don't sound trustworthy to me. Okay, Cancer. What in the world is this cord? But I don't know what they're doing, but they're trying to get a reaction out of you, or their next move. It could be just strictly because they're trying to get a reaction out of you. Let's see. Oh, why can't you trust your friend? Why are they keeping tabs on you, trying to get a reaction? Why is someone doing this? Spying. Like, and when I say newest person, it could be that the newest person you have issues with, whatever. This doesn't necessarily have to be about love, okay, whatever. But it is some painful love here. Okay, you got in their head and they hated it. Okay, so I don't know what happened here, but it's like you could have rubbed it in their face, and they didn't like that. Kicked out. Okay, yeah, you kicked this person out. This is someone you kicked out, or this is someone you left. Or this person could be getting kicked out or be getting left, or someone was kicked out and got left. Someone is about to be left and they already got dipped on. Okay, so if you kick someone out, whatever they about to do or have recently done, they just trying to get a reaction out of you. Okay, they're just feeling that the thorns of this love. Okay, they're just mad that it's over. They probably been drinking, and they come abusive when they drinking. But they are watching you. Let's get some hidden truth from this person. I trusted you. Okay. So someone's trust was taken for granted here. I miss being with you. We have don't trust your friend and I trusted you. So you really can't trust it. You really can't trust someone. Someone, I don't know. Okay? Don't trust your friend. I feel like you trusted this person, they betrayed you, they backstabbed you. I don't know what they did, but they betrayed you. So it was betrayal here. I feel so drawn to you. I miss being with you. So this person is spying on you because they feel like they need to spy on you right now. They probably can't reach out, but they're spying on you. They could even have a friend of yours spying on them for them. I don't know. Let's get the truth of the matter. Okay, they're spying on you. They keeping tabs on you because they miss you. They miss your presence. They miss being with you. Looks like you could be focused on yourself and your money. You being selfish with your time and your presence now. You actually enjoy being single. Okay, I see you developing yourself, working on yourself. Okay, you trusted this person and they betrayed your trust. Or this is someone you put your trust into and you can't trust. If you may found out already, or you may find this out soon. Oh shoot. Okay, this person is drawn to you because they have a sexual connection with you. Okay, this person is sexually drawn to you. And they're always watching you. I wasn't even reading the bottom of the decks to you, but just so you can know whether I'm talking to a Cancer or about a Cancer, someone is being watched tremendously. Okay? Always watching. Access granted. Keeping tabs on you. Fake profile. Social media. Hiding. Okay? So don't even say you weren't warned. And my little daddy's here. Oh, that sounds like one of their friends. Where was I? Cause that got yeah, that got crazy. That got wild. like goodbye. And let's take a look at the connection of this status in the near future. Who? Okay. Okay, you could possibly expect some drama. Hey, Misery does love company, and this person is very emotionally immature and needy. Sheesh. What in the world? Hold up. Let me get this dead right. Oh my god, I'm tearing this little pinky up. It hurts. Ouch. So forgiveness. Mistakes were made, but don't leave. This person wants your forgiveness, or they will eventually want your forgiveness. Okay, they're gonna want you to forgive them. They're gonna, want you to forgive them for their mistakes. And we have scared. Someone is scared to open up. Let me get another one. God, we have bad friends with sexual benefits to hop over. Fire. Play with this fire and you will get burned. Whatever that means. Okay, it looks like you already left this person. You take them back if you want. I feel like then you're going to go through the same thing with this person. This person is going to be scared to open up to you. Okay, if somebody can't open up to you, how you going to fall? Okay, if this love you're looking for. I feel like this person wants your forgiveness because of that sex. Let's get some dark confessions of the soul. And then we're going to be out of here. I'm too insecure to deal with myself. I am seeking validation from others. I can't break free from this negative cycle. It's my negative mindset keeping me stuck. Okay, so this person has some work to do. Point blank, period. That's what I have for you, Cancer. Thank you for listening. If it resonated with you and you like it, share it if you know of anybody that could use this information here, and subscribe to catch your next video. Dream and pray.